How to hack a Snapchat account. So if you want to hack a Snapchat account, then I'll show you in this video. So this video is only for educational purposes. Don't misuse the video. So the very first thing that hackers do to hack the Snapchat account is known as password guessing. Now, for example, someone has got your username from your Snapchat profile, and now he or she tries to guess your password from the information that he knows about you. For example, your date of birth or your country of region or living, or the living habits. For example, you can write a password like similar or common passwords, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So, for example, if you go with Google and if you search with most common passwords, here there are the list of the most common passwords, and if I scroll down, here you will get a list of all the like common passwords, which is 126 or again 128 or password, or it can also be a guest or a secret or administrator password. So it will give you all of the examples. People still write these kind of passwords. So now if someone tries to hack a Snapchat account, the hacker can guess these kind of passwords by giving off the set of examples. And the second type of method that hackers use to hack your Snapchat account is known as social engineering. Now, what happens in the kind of hacking is that hackers tries to be an authorized user to access your account, and he may request you to get your account access for any kind of emergency maintenance. For example, I'll be showing you. So the message can be like this. If the hacker has created an account named Team Snapchat like this, and he has also put a Snapchat logo in his DP, and he sends you a message like this, which is, hi, your name, and then we are the Snapchat team and we need to fix some issues in your account. For that purpose, we need your date of birth, username, password, and your country of living. Kindly provide so we can make Snapchat a better place for you. So this is a beautiful trap, isn't it? And it's not directly asking the password of your account, but this password is merged in the set of the things that he's asking for kindly providing. So if he's sending this message to you through an account named Snapchat or Team Snapchat, there are maximum chances that an uneducated person may fall for it, and he will just write his username and password and your country of living, date of birth, and he will just be thinking the Snapchat team will fix his issues, but his Snapchat account gets hacked. And the third type of scam is known as spam emails. Now, if you get a link on your email, then that's the trap of the hacker behind that mail. So the hacker is trying to make a click on this link, and the link is a phishing link. Now, as soon as you click on that link, there are some scripts at the back end of that link which will enter into your mobile phone, and your Snapchat or other social media accounts or even YouTube channel will get hacked. So never click on those links or those kind of unknown links. They are just traps to make you click on those kind of links, and your account will get hacked. So in this way, your Snapchat account gets hacked. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.